Welcome to our home. We are doing an updated house tour because last time we did it was about a year ago. We had just moved in and Ale couldn't walk yet. She was only, what, 6 months old or so?
Yeah.
At that time.
So this is the house tour 2019.
Ale, you want to show them your house?
Yeah.
Okay, come.
Say vamos.
Say vamos.
My puppy house.
I'm coming.
My puppy house. So this is our foyer, and we still have the same West Elm table and mirror that we had before, but we've added a few little accessories. We go to the flower mart from time to time to get these, and then these little baskets I actually just found at Target. Such a good find, and they're great for storing random things in. She's off. Okay.
What's up, guys? This is our living room.
This is our living room. So this is the same set that we had from Z Gallery from our last apartment before we moved into the house. I still really love it. I just love the color tone still, and it's really nice for a living room that feels a little more formal than the rest of the house.
This is our big front window.
Yes. I love this window so much. We work from home pretty much every day, so this is our portal to the outside world. I think I said that in the last video, but it's so true.
Probably.
Sometimes this is the only way we see life. Cutting away for a quick commercial break here. So anytime I am running around the house just tidying up or cooking, blow drying my hair, I am also multitasking and listening to Audible because it is very important to continue educating yourself, you guys. Audible has the best and largest selection of audiobooks. I am currently listening to one called Fight Like a Mother, and I highly recommend it. If you're not already using Audible, you can go to audible.com/Jessi or text Jessi to 500-500 to get your first audiobook for free. And now through July 31st, Amazon Prime members can get Audible for only $4.95 a month for the first 3 months, and then after that, it's just $14.95 a month. So again, you can go to audible.com/Jessi or text Jessi to 500-500 for your first audiobook for free. Educate yourself, you guys. I'll be sure to put that in the description box below. I'll put a link for you. Now back to the house tour. So the powder room we actually updated. I don't know if you remember from the last video, but I was complaining a lot about our bathroom sounding like a brat. But I just really did not like that tile. I still don't like the tile. We have the same tile in the whole rest of the house in every bathroom. But this one,
We changed this one.
We changed it up. We put a little herringbone marble flooring. This is a little fixture we got from Restoration. I love the color of the marble here too, and the brass. I love the sconces mirror. This whole thing's Restoration. And then we added this artwork from Minted. Minted is a great resource for art, by the way, guys, especially if you're looking for large pieces that come completely matted, framed everything. This was so easy. Moving on to the dining room. All the furniture is the same as last time, right?
Yep,
This
we have the table in here, we have the chairs, the artwork's new, the mirror, the bar cart.
Yeah, we just added some details. I really wanted
the
to
lighting.
And yeah, I wanted to add some earthier elements to just warm up the vibe in here. The table and chairs are also from Restoration. This runner down the middle is from Target. I just picked this up this past week. We changed out the light fixture, which a lot of you have noticed on Instagram. You guys are very perceptive. This is also from Restoration. That's another artwork piece from Minted over there. And I love that. I don't know, it just looks like a stairway to a romantic rooftop. Takes me away. And then these are giant pampas. I probably get more questions about these pampas than anything else in the house right now. I reached out to the Pampas people to source these for me because I knew I wanted something massive. Couldn't find them on Amazon, Etsy, anything. So the Pampas people are actually the ones that sourced those for me. And I love them. I love how they look. Super dramatic and fluffy.
These curtains are new too.
Oh yeah, the curtains are new. These are from Z Gallery. I got so many questions about these too. Really, drapes are so expensive. I think
Yeah.
People don't
Custom drapes. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, custom drapes are so crazy. And I think these look lovely. These are from Z Gallery. They're panels that already come like this, like pre-sized.
Yeah, these are not custom drapes.
Not custom. So this is our kitchen. We're very, very proud of the marble that we chose for the kitchen because we looked everywhere for this. Slab yard to slab yard, and I still love it so much. We always wanted to do like a waterfall style
We worked
island.
really hard on that.
Yeah.
We worked really hard to get this to
match up. Well, the book match there.
The book
above
match
the stove.
was here, and most of it got covered up, which is depressing, but it's really nice.
Yeah. I'm kind of like toying with the idea of still painting the cabinets, but I can't decide what color to paint them, if I want to switch out the hardware to brass, just to add more like gold and warmth in the kitchen. I can't decide. You guys please weigh in because I actually really need your help and advice. So yeah, everything else is pretty much the same. I finally just got some new pots and
From Target.
Dutch oven. I really like these. These are actually Chrissy Teigen's collection, but I thought they were so cute because of the brass. These are from her collection too. All these little like wooden spatulas and spoons. I love them.
This is where I make our Cuban coffee, right
Yes, she gets down with the Cuban coffee. It's so good. And then this is my little corner where I sit right here. I still sit here all day long. I work from here. I feed Ale right here. I get my water right here in the beverage fridge. I reach over here, make a sandwich. I just do everything right here.
Right here.
And then this is our family room. This is, I mean, it's always the messiest room in the house because Ale plays here and her toys are all over, but it's my favorite room in the house because it's just cozy and where we spend most of our time. We watch movies together, we play with Ale here.
And it's obviously not messy right now because we cleaned it up.
We
for
like
this
shoved
video.
everything in the closets for this video.
We're not showing any closets in this video.
Closets are not in this video. What's new since last time?
Well, the
I
sectional.
think- Oh, the sectional's new. We only had that part. This is also from Z Gallery. This is probably the other thing that I get the most questions on in the whole house. People love the sectional because it's super deep and cozy. It is the best couch you can ever get for watching movies because you can literally completely lay out.
And you will fall asleep
You
every
will fall
time.
asleep here every time. But you just added in a bunch of little like black, white, and cream accessories. And then the plants, we get a lot of questions on the plants too. These are from Home Depot.
One of our new favorite stores since we became homeowners.
Didn't you guys hate going to Home Depot so much with your parents when you were younger? And now it's, if you have a home or if you're
It's the best.
into home decor, you realize it's a necessity for some things.
Yeah, and they have really nice plants.
The artwork's also from Minted, and then we just got this new rug from Crate & Barrel, right? I like that it has like a little bit of that Moroccan vibe, but it's still really clean. We had a beautiful white jute rug here that I got so many questions on also, but that thing shed like crazy. It was so affordable and pretty, but it shed like crazy. We were constantly covered in little jute pairs. It was a mess. So
Yeah, we
got this one.
had to take it out.
Yeah,
But this looks
one's,
nice.
Yeah, a lot better, more durable.
Coffee tables from Z Gallery as well.
Yeah. Like it's a bed. The backyard is coming along really cute too, but we're gonna save that for another video because it's not quite done.
Yeah, actually we're gonna probably film. We're finishing it up pretty soon, right? The backyard.
Yeah.
So we'll probably film that
Next week or something.
next week. So
Yeah. So stay tuned. That's
by the
coming
time
soon.
you're watching this video,
It'll be done.
there
Okay.
might be another video on our channel for the backyard. So
Oh, should we show
watch
Addie's play corner?
oh yeah.
So behind the family room is where Addie stores all her
Ellie
toys.
has her own little white piano.
She has her piano. We store a lot of her toys in big oversized baskets. These are really cool little stackable shelves that I got from Target. They make it easy for her to like see all her toys, reach in. This is her little kitchen set that she got from my sister. This is her little shopping cart she got from our photographer, Asha. Those are like her favorite toys. And yeah, this is Addie's corner. Should we show them the office?
Yeah, we should.
The office is new. Last time,
This artwork's new. It's from Z Gallery as well.
yeah. last time we took you through, this was our guest bedroom.
I think this was still our
Or was this our bedroom?
Yeah, we were sleeping here.
We were sleeping
in
here
the first
still
house tour.
at that time. This is now our office, and where do I begin? We really wanted a space where we could just throw up inspo and images that are inspiring, that help our whole team kind of stay in the same lane and have an understanding of what our vibe is all about. So we just got these boards from Pottery Barn, and Julia and I have been just like tearing up images that we love and putting them up here. This is actually something that I grew up doing just for fun. I would get those big, that's so nerdy. I had them for everything. I don't even know why I did it. I would just like sit and watch movies and do that, but it's coming in handy.
Looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I think it looks really cool. This is another beautiful piece by Elisa Barber. I love her so much. Again, I just think it's so peaceful and cool how it looks like she just, like, doesn't it look like she just did this all in one stroke?
She probably did.
She probably did. So cool. So I love that. And then this is a little couch we found at the Restoration Hardware Outlet. And then these pillows. These, the tan ones in the front, are from Target. Target has so many cute things too, guys. Don't sleep on Target. These are from Target, and then the black ones are from Restoration. And then this jute rug. I love a good jute rug because they're so durable and comfy, and I don't know, they just warm up the space really nicely. So this jute rug we found at HomeGoods.
This is our desk that we got at the Restoration Hardware Outlet as well, and we have some music equipment going on because we're working on new music coming soon. So got these.
We actually record right here. He records me.
Yeah, got a little mic set up.
We
got some speakers.
I'm really excited with the music,
Got a little
guys. It's really
compressor
good.
preamp situation. And we do, this is where I am at most of the day, right there in that chair.
Yeah. That's your zone for sure.
That's my zone.
For here, I want to get like a big potted plant for this corner, just to bring some life into the room.
A big plant?
Yeah, like a big fig tree or something.
For sure.
Now let's take you upstairs, and we finally have some furniture up there. I think last time we had nothing, right?
Yeah, it was completely empty.
Okay, so now this is the sweetest room in the house, Ali's nursery. And I think it is just so dreamy how it turned out. We partnered with an incredible interior designer that specializes in nurseries named Naomi, and she just brought this whole space to life. It was her idea to do wallpaper on one wall, and I love it so much. I definitely want to do wallpaper in some areas in the rest of the house because I just love how it creates such a vibe. And I think she did such a nice job of making this space not too babyish, so we can easily switch out the crib for a big girl bed, and Ali can, you know, grow up in this room. And I love all of the little brass elements that she did, the curtain rods, this really cute shelving over here. And then this is the corner where we read stories at night, and I rock her to sleep. I feel like her closet's kind of cute. Is her closet cute? Let me check. It's okay. This is Ali's closet. No, let's not share. Moving on. Okay, so this room is our guest room, and we've kind of been going back and forth. We haven't done much with it. This is the guest room as it is right now. We have the vanity that was in my old closet from Lisa. This was originally a floating vanity, but G had to put legs on it because we couldn't get it. There wasn't a wall here that we could figure out for mounting it. I really love actually this part of the bedroom because these big French doors are beautiful to wake up to. This is a little dressing space where I get ready, take my selfies. I sit there, put on my shoes. And then this is our master. Jessi Gallery was so kind to also partner with us on this space. So this bed is from them, the bedding, the pillows, the nightstands, the lamps. That's all Z Gallery. And then we were so obsessed with Asha's work on our wedding photos that we decided we needed an entire wedding gallery wall made and put it above our bed. I'm still a little iffy on this. This feels a little bit overwhelming, I think. I think we might move it to the hallway. But I do really love how it turned out, and I think the framing is beautiful. These are the pillows that we really sleep with, and these are silk pillows. These are not just pretty, guys. These are actually amazing for your skin, for your hair. They help you not lose as much moisture from your face and hair at night. So that's a little hack, a little beauty hack. We still haven't done our bathroom. We really, really want to revamp this whole space, like the closet and bathroom space. But for now, we've added just like a few cute things to warm it up to. Put this little towel rack ladder, some little palms. I want to add a big picture window here to just open it up, create a lot more light, make this whole tub situation a lot more picturesque.
This is our little balcony. We just put these chairs in.
Sometimes G and I come out here and have our little coffee in the morning out here.
Yeah, it's been nice.
Yeah,
Nice
it's a
little
little
breakfast
balcony,
spots.
but I like it because, like I said, it feels like a tree house, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's charming.
Okay guys, so that is our updated house tour. We're gonna be doing these actually pretty often because we're always doing little projects around the house. The next one is gonna be our backyard reveal because we've been doing a lot with the landscaping. We just finally got some outdoor furniture. We're putting up string lights, getting lots of new plants. So that's what we'll be sharing next.
Okay, can you say bye please? Beso. Say bye.
Wow, wow.
Bye. Bye.